For me, IO-Link makes the last meter from the field automation device to the sensor communication capable.
So it's all about data collection, right? Making the last meter from the sensor to the controller and from there to everywhere.
Maybe even more.
Maybe even more.
The question is, what kind of data does IO-Link provide? And this is the beauty about IO-Link, that you do not only get the raw data, production data, you get additional data, metadata.
And diagnosis.
And diagnosis. It's a great contribution to the Internet of Things, I would say.
Yes. And actually it's also an open standard.
Yeah.
Maybe the one and only open standard in factory automation to connect sensors.
I think the main question is, which benefits does IO-Link offer to our clients?
It's easy.
Yeah.
Basically, everyone can replace an IO-Link sensor device.
Yeah. And you don't have to use an additional tool to set it up.
And yeah, should a service become necessary, IO-Link supports an automatic backup and recovery. I think this is also a great benefit. So you can reduce downtimes in production facility down to a minimum.
Okay. You guys read about this?
I think so. You prepared yourself.
Yeah, this is what our clients are actually fascinated about.
We also offer a lot of opportunities to connect whatever electrical signal is possible with our modular approach.
Yeah.
So with our product portfolio, our partners can choose which is the best opportunity for them.
Freedom of choice.
So IO-Link fits to us because it's open and easy.
It's a perfect fit.
Yeah.
You can easily build your communication gateway.
And from our perspective, we offer that in the cabinet as well as in the field in the future. So I think we're
Well prepared.
well prepared.
Yeah.
So actually it's in the customer's hand. Everything is
all over a great contribution to the total life cycle costs.
So now you're convinced.
Now I'm convinced.
Meet us in Nuremberg, SBS Fair this year, Hall 7, booth 230.
To deepen the topics.
We look forward to meeting you.